Hi, it's Teresa from Dodge Nature Center, and time for another Nature to Go. Spring is such a great time to be noticing the birds that are around you, but something that I've noticed is there's a lot of birds that are the same color. There's a lot of blackbirds that are out there, but are they all blackbirds? What kind of birds are they that are there? So the one we're seeing here, this is a blackbird. This is a red-winged blackbird, and we see these around the marshes and the ponds because they're calling territory and they're calling for a mate. So their appearance actually matches their name, red-winged blackbirds. These are the males. From blackbirds, we go to cowbirds. Yeah, they're called cowbirds here, brown-headed cowbirds, which matches when you're looking at the picture of them. They tend to hang out where cattle or horses are because as those animals move around, they stir up insects, and these birds follow along behind because it's an easy food source for them. This is the male that you're seeing. Cowbirds are a little smaller than blackbirds. All right, if we go a little larger than these previous two birds, we get the grackles. Grackles have these spectacular iridescent feathers on their heads that give it sort of this metallic-y blue color, and their eyes are yellow. They look very intense, like they're really staring you down. Another blackbird that has a lot of iridescence on its feathers are the European starlings. And this bird, you'll notice, it usually is in big flocks. So it can have purpley colors on it, it can have blue feathers on it. That yellow beak is really noticeable this time of year. That brings up a fifth blackbird, which are crows. Now, looking at this picture, you might not really get the idea of the size of the crow, but crows are really big. Here's a good comparison for you. So here you can see red-winged blackbirds and a grackle, and they're going after suet at a feeder in my backyard. And then here's the same feeders with a crow going after the suet. And see how much bigger the crow is? So I hope I took some of the confusion away for you on identifying some of these black birds. A lot of times it's paying attention to location where you find the bird. That can help you ID it. And noticing details like bill color or wing color or head color, eye color. Those are things that can help. And of course, size can make a big difference too. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Nature to Go. Get out there, look for some blackbirds, and see if you can recognize them. And I'll talk to you again next time.